So this is what we're going to be making today. This cookies and cream cookie recipe is another easy mix, scoop, and bake. Just mix all your dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, scoop, bake, and enjoy. No, seriously, like even if you don't bake, like this is so easy, you don't need to have skills for this. And Oreos just make everything like instantly delicious.
So let's get baking.
Of course, first we're going to start with our prep work, which is crushing the Oreos, and you're going to crush these Oreos up like it owes you money.
Now when you're done, we're going to pour half of this into a bowl and set it aside and pour the rest of the half into our mix. All of our dry ingredients go together, including the crushed cookies. Then we're going to go ahead and put in our half melted butter, our vanilla extracts. Give it a little mixy mix.
And we'll be using my favorite tool for scooping cookie dough so it's nice and even, an ice cream scoop. And we're gonna roll the cookie dough in more cookie crumbs because we want more Oreos. Also because it's gonna look so much cuter when it bakes because it's gonna have the extra like cookie crumb topping. Ta-da! And we did it! And these cookies are looking so good.
Follow Sparkle Cookery if you want to learn more about how baking is fun and approachable from me, a professionally trained pastry artist. Okay, bye!